Imagine this. With one click of a button, you can earn $22 or more, over and over again? Well, you're in for a treat because I'm about to unveil a free CPA marketing method that not only gets you targeted traffic, but also ensures a steady stream of CPA commissions. But hold on, what exactly is CPA marketing? Let's break it down. CPA stands for cost per action, where you get paid for every action your referral takes, whether it's signing up for a trial, filling out a form, or making a purchase. It's like earning a commission for guiding someone to take a specific action. In this video, we're not just skimming the surface. We're delving into the core principles, providing you with a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to achieve that coveted $22 and beyond using CPA marketing. From selecting the most lucrative offers to mastering the art of conversion, we've got you covered every step of the way. By the way, to make sure you never miss out on valuable insights and future updates, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Done? All right, let's get into it. To get started, we'll visit the CPA Grip website. This is where companies post their offers, and you can choose which ones to promote. Once you're on the website, look for the My Offers section. This is like your dashboard, where you'll see all the available offers. Before we start browsing, we need to set the country filter to all countries. This way, we can see offers from everywhere, not just one specific place. Now, let's talk about the offers. Each one has a payout, which is how much you'll earn when someone completes the action. Some offers pay a little, like $2 or $3, while others pay a lot more, up to $30 or more per action. To find the highest paying offers, we can click on the payout column to sort the offers from the most paying to the least paying. This makes it easier to spot the top earners. You can think of these offers like different jobs you can do to earn money. Let's click on this offer where you help people to get access for watching the latest movies, and you get $22.25 every time someone signs up. Or maybe there's an offer for an iPhone or actually AirPods giveaway where you get $17 for each sign up. Yep, I speak French fluently. Merci beaucoup. Je t'aime. Finally, you found the perfect offer, like a movie site offer or iPhone AirPods offer. Now let's talk about why we need a landing page and how to create one using brizy.cloud, a user-friendly website builder. If you want to put some extra effort, you can check this video up at the corner where we show how you can create a stunning website with Hostinger's AI web builder. But for this purpose, Brizy works also, and they have actually just launched the AI web builder, so I leave both links in description so you can choose which you want to try, for free, obviously. A landing page acts as a bridge between your traffic source and the CPA offer, providing a space to engage with your audience and build trust before directing them to take action. Without a landing page, you risk violating CPA network rules and getting banned, which is why it's essential to create one. To get started, head to brizy.cloud and click on the Get Started button. Signing up is free, so there's no need to worry about upfront costs. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, your control center for managing projects and designing landing pages. To create a landing page, navigate to the page builder by clicking on the plus icon that says Create a New Project. Choose the option for a landing page and you'll be taken to the page builder interface where you can start designing. Begin by adding elements like text, buttons, and images to your page. Simply click on the plus icon and drag the desired elements onto your page. Customize each element to match your CPA offer and target audience, ensuring your message resonates effectively. If you prefer not to build your page from scratch, you can choose from a variety of pre-made templates available in the template library. Browse through the templates and select one that fits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, customize it with your own text and images to make it your own. By creating a well-designed landing page, you'll not only comply with CPA network rules, but also maximize your conversions and drive more traffic to your offers. Now here's a question for you. Do you believe implementing these strategies can effectively boost your CPA marketing efforts? Let us know in the comments below. Before we move forward, let's take a quick moment to ensure you're getting the most out of this experience. If you're finding value in this tutorial and want to stay updated with more insightful content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications by ringing the bell icon. Now that we have the design in place, it's time to focus on customizing the content to match our CPA offer and make it more appealing to our audience. Firstly, let's head back to the CPA Grip network and copy the title from the offer page. Even if the language differs, don't worry. You can simply copy and paste the text onto your landing page. Alternatively, if the text is in a different language, we can use Google Translate to convert it into English. Navigate to translate.google.com, paste the text, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the translated text in English. Copy this translated text and paste it as the title on your landing page. Pro tip, if you need to translate longer text, just use ChatGPT for translating. Next, let's focus on the image. Since our CPA offer is related to movies, we want to replace the current image with some movie images. Find a suitable movie image online and upload it to replace the existing image on your landing page. To do this, click on the image, then on the image icon, and upload the new image from your device. Now, let's tweak the background color of the landing page to make it more visually appealing. Click on the background, select the color option, and choose white for a clean and professional look. Moving on to the call to action button. Let's change the text to something enticing like "click here." Then, click on the button, select the link icon, and paste your CPA offer link. This will ensure that when visitors click on the button, they'll be directed to your CPA offer. Once you've made all the necessary changes, it's time to publish your landing page. Click on the up arrow icon and select Publish Page. This will make your landing page live and accessible to visitors. Now let's preview the landing page to ensure everything looks as intended. Click on the preview icon to see how visitors will view the page. If everything looks good, copy the link to your landing page. Finally, let's head to a website called OnlyProfitsAi. This platform will allow us to create a shortened, trackable link for our landing page, making it easier to share and monitor engagement. Since you've landed on this website, the first move is to hit the Sign Up button. Easy, right? Now, sign up using your Google account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll find yourself on a page where the magic happens. Now, click on the Post Ad button. This action will lead you to a page where you'll choose the option to post free ad. Why spend money when you can do it for free? Smart choice. Next up, it's asking for a location. Remember our targeted location for the CPA offer? Yes, it's Australia. Howdy, mate! Okay, sorry for that. Navigate to Australia and Oceania, click Australia and pick any city, it doesn't matter. Now let's choose the buy, sell, trade category and narrow it down to the free section. Here comes the fun part, creating your attention-grabbing post. Instead of just copying and pasting the CPA offer title, let's get creative. Think of something like free access to watch latest movies, first 10 people only. Now, that's bound to get some attention, right? Add a short but sweet description to entice your audience further. Now about that link. If you're told you can't share links, here's a workaround. Add a space after the dot in the link and instruct them to remove it. Don't forget to remove the HTTPS too. Sneaky, but effective. To create a sense of urgency, mention that only the first 10 people can enter every 24 hours. This will prompt people to act fast and increase your chances of getting leads. Fill in the age and any location. It's not crucial. Leave the email and phone number fields empty. Now, it's time to add an image. Choose a compelling image that aligns with your offer and tick the boxes. Hit Continue and proceed to make your post on the website. By targeting the country and posting strategically, you're setting yourself up for a higher CPA conversion rate. And that's it. As we wrap up this tutorial, I hope you found the insights valuable and actionable. Now, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into practice. Remember, success in CPA marketing is within your reach, but it requires dedication and persistence. Before you go, don't forget to take action. Hit that like button if you found this valuable. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder.